as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on a type of continuous fraction, just one with a little bit of a difference. So what we've got here is this pattern of 5/7 times 6/3 plus 5/7 times 6/3 plus. But we've got this nested lot of brackets that are continuing indefinitely. So if we take that part, you can see that that is part of the whole. So if we call the whole thing x, then this part over here we can also call x. And so we can rewrite this as 5/7 times by 6/3 plus this whole thing is x equal to x. If we multiply this out, 5 times 6 is 30 over 21 plus 5x/7 equal to x. Multiply everything by 21, so we have 30 plus 3 times 5 is 15 equal to 21 times x. So that gives us 30 equal to 21 minus 15 is 6x. Divide both sides by 6. So x is 5 after that whole lot. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.